So, Telet has changed the experience for the residents of our holiday park. We now have a wide range 5G supply for non-intrusive cells that are out of sight and out of mind. The routers are mobile, meaning our residents have flexibility to take them around the park or leave them within their lodges. Either way, knowing they'll have a great connection for social and professional needs when staying with us. And to top it off, the installation caused little to no disruption on site, and we'll be aiming to install this 5G system across all the McCarthy parks.